Finally, I can see this car without all the people at it. Look at those rims. Look at the seats inside. Big vents. This is just the carbon package. 63 because it's one of 63. This is one stunning car. Here's a Lamborghini Huracan STO. There's a Lamborghini C on there. That's the third one I've seen this year. This one's from Montreal, and I saw the first one in Montreal. And I saw the second one, which is down there, and this is the third one. Wow, look at that. It's an SLR. 2005 SLR. One of my top 20 favorite cars, maybe even top 10. This is gorgeous. 904 GTS. This is the first time I've ever seen a 904. It is so cool. Oh, I like this one. Oh, it's painted. Fluffy seats, beads, like that. This is a 959. This is for sure the rarest car here. And then you got a CGT, you got this. You have a 924, 904. You have all this insane stuff. 356s. And all this crazy stuff over here, like the slant nose. And there's an elbow, so I've seen this one before on a track day. This is a Revention, which is really rare. First time I've ever seen that. This is an LFA. This guy has a massive collection. There's a 4GT, a Spiker. There's a Senna down there, an ACR, Lamborghini truck, and the Love Florida.